Welcome to Mental Health Monday. This week I will touch on the importance of recovery from burnout. Are you feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, and emotionally drained? If so, you might be experiencing burnout. In our fast-paced world, it's all too common to push ourselves beyond our limits while neglecting our self-care in the process. It's time you regain control of your life and restore balance to your well-being. So, what exactly is burnout? Burnout, a term that is becoming increasingly common in today's fast-paced society, refers to a state of physical, mental, and emotional exhaustion caused by chronic work-related stress. According to recent studies conducted by the World Health Organization, burnout affects an alarming 27% of people globally. Understanding what burnout truly entails goes beyond mere numbers. It requires recognizing the signs of burnout and simply addressing the root cause and problem. Recognizing the signs of burnout. When it comes to recovery from burnout, recognizing the signs of burnout is a crucial first step. It's important to be able to identify when we are experiencing burnout so that we can take the necessary steps toward healing and self-care. Some common signs of burnout include feeling exhausted both mentally and physically, losing interest or motivation in our work or daily activities, and experiencing difficulty concentrating or making decisions. Additionally, irritability and feelings of being overwhelmed are also indicators of burnout. By paying attention to these signs, we can both begin to understand the toll that burnout has taken on us and start taking action toward finding relief. As we become more aware of the signs of burnout, we gain insight into how it impacts our well-being and overall quality of life. Recognizing these signs allows us to acknowledge that something is not right and prompts us to seek ways to address them. Addressing and understanding that burnout is not just a temporary state, but rather a chronic condition, enables us to prioritize our mental health and make positive changes in our lives. By acknowledging the presence of burnout symptoms, we open ourselves up to the possibility of finding strategies for recovery and prevention. Effects of burnout on physical and mental health. Burnout can have significant effects on both our physical and mental health. The constant feeling of exhaustion accompanied by a lack of motivation and decreased productivity can take a toll on the body. Physical symptoms such as headaches, muscle tension, and gastro issues may arise as a result of chronic stress. Additionally, burnout can negatively impact our mental well-being, leading to increased irritability, mood swings, and difficulty concentrating. These effects not only affect an individual's overall quality of life, but also their ability to perform daily tasks efficiently. Ways to overcome burnout. Reach out to a loved one. Consider therapy or counseling. Incorporate self-care into your daily routine. Connect with peer support groups. They're definitely beneficial. Last but not least, create sustainable habits and work-life balance. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of burnout, addressing the root causes, implementing self-care strategies, seeking support and help, and creating sustainable habits are all crucial steps in recovering from burnout. By taking ownership of our well-being and prioritizing self-care, we can pave the way for a balanced and fulfilling life. It's up to us to make this commitment to ourselves, for only then can you truly recover and live a happy life. Like always, I appreciate y'all. Hopefully these videos are definitely beneficial. Hopefully you're still embarking on your mental health journey. Don't forget, you are enough. Until next time.